Rebellious Soul is the debut studio album by American singer-songwriter Michelle. The album was released on August 13, 2013, by Atlantic Records. Its songs were mostly co-written and co-composed by Michelle and Bianca Atterberry. Other artists who collaborated on the album include Tank, Priscilla Renea, Meek Mill, Jack Splash, and Barry White. Musically, Rebellious Soul was inspired by Michelle's love for emotional ballads and the 1970s and 1980s eras in music. She incorporated different combinations of musical genres, including electronic, R&B, hip-hop, soul and gospel, for the album's songs. Upon its release, the album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200, and peaked at number 1 on the top R&B/hip-hop albums, selling 123,000 copies in its first week. Rebellious Soul produced 2 singles, VSOP, released on May 20, 2013, and Can't Raise a Man was released on January 13, 2014. Michelle promoted Rebellious Soul through an album release party, televised live performances, radio interviews, and a concert tour. The album sold over 1 million copies worldwide by 2014, and Michelle won the Soul Train Music Award for Best New Artist at the 2013 Soul Train Music Awards. Michelle embarked on the album's first supporting concert tour, Rebellious Soul Tour, in November 2013. Reviews of Rebellious Soul were generally positive, with critics applauding Michelle's personal themes,